I'm speechless. I'm speechless. Wow. Look at the size of this place. This is just one metro station. This is not an airport. Let me just clarify. This is not an airport. This is one single station on Shenzhen's vast metro system. I don't think I've ever seen this many people taking selfies and taking photos inside a metro station. It's incredible. It is just simply uncomparable to what we have in the West, in the UK, in the US, in Europe. You can't compare. Not only can you not compare this to Western metro systems, but this